So, real talk tayo. So, ngayon nag-start na kami nakipag-usap kami sa team lead ko yesterday, yung supervisor kong babae, and we have one of our team members to be helped sa communications skills niya kasi tingin ko may opportunity siya para mag-improve yung the way he speak, how he communicate over the phone kasi kung di niyo alam, isa nga akong or isa kaming mortgage broker assistant at tinutulungan namin yung broker namin sa Australia to get a loan application, home loan application para ma-approve. So, yun, just wanna share with you na I'm taking the initiative to help my colleague to improve his communication skills. Okay?